This is my Xbox 360 unwrapped. I'm also showing what I bought. So I got a wireless network adapter, 1 year Xbox Live. This came with it, Devil May Cry 4. Halo 3 I bought separate. A wireless controller, Forza 2, and Viva Pinata, and now the console. They came with it as well, the controller, the extra controller plus the 2 extra games. Right. Is console. Some sponge. Cardboard. Instructions, yeah, whatever. More instructions. Advertisements. And here comes the wires. The other controller, which comes in the actual console. Here's the 3 Ethernet cable. Yep, the 3 Ethernet cable. I think it's 8 meters long. This is the adapter, so I can actually turn it on. Could help. This is the other part to the adapter. Headset. Free headset. SCART lead stuff. That's for the SCART lead and that's it for the SCART lead. So there we go. My new Xbox 360 and stuff. And pile of crap instructions. Thanks for watching, and I've got 2 spare Xbox controllers which I'm probably going to give to a couple of mates, or maybe just give them away on the internet. Maybe eBay, I don't know, a couple of quid for each. Just keep watching my videos and see you next time.